and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Odoo, a beginner's guide. Odoo is a powerful all-in-one business management software, but if you are new to it, it can be overwhelming. Now in this video, I'll show you how to use Odoo for business operations from navigation to basic setup. Let's start by the first step. Install and log in to Odoo. Or you can log into your Odoo by using your browser. Just go to odoo.com and then click on try it for free, or log in if you already have an account. Now the second step is you can also install Odoo on your server or local PC if needed. Now the second step is to navigate the Odoo dashboard, and to do that, the main dashboard has different models like sales, inventory, CRM, accounting and more. Click on a module to enter and start managing the section. For example, you can choose any of these models after you click on Start Now. Click on Start Now and then choose a module from these. For example, I'm gonna choose sales. Click on it, and as you check the option, click on continue, and that's it. You can start managing that section. The third step is to install essential apps, and to do that, just click on the three horizontal lines on the top right corner and then click on apps, and then click on install to add them to your dashboard. As for the fourth step is to customize Odoo settings, and to do that, just go to settings and then general settings, and then after you go to general settings, configure the company details, currency and users. You can also add employees and define roles to manage access control. And for the fifth and final step, start using Odoo for business operation. If you run an e-commerce store, go to sales and create an order. And if you manage inventory, go to inventory, then products to add stock. And that's it for today's tutorial. This was a quick beginner's guide to using Odoo. Explore different models and customize them to fit your business needs. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.